I bought this PCB from JLC PCB, and the quality is really good. JLC PCB provides a complete one-stop PCBA service, which means they handle everything in-house, from component sourcing to SMT assembly and final PCB build. That makes it very useful for engineers, makers, and hardware startups, whether you're building a prototype or going for small to mass production. And reliable assembly quality, along with 24/7 customer support for urgent project. Just upload your Gerber file, select your required quantity, color, thickness, and size. If you need assembly, you can choose that option too, then just place the order and wait for delivery. Check the link in the description for more details. For enclosure making, I use the TOOCAA Nova Desktop Laser Engraver. It is a smart laser cutter designed for beginners, DIY creators, and small business use. Just place your material inside, connect via Wi-Fi or USB, and use TOOCAA Studio Web to create or import your design. It even supports AI-powered creation to help generate ideas easily. After framing and focusing, you can start cutting or engraving with high precision. It features a smart workflow with camera positioning, autofocus. You can cut and engrave wood, acrylic, leather, metal, stone, and more. With air assist and a built-in smoke exhaust system, it keeps the workspace clean. TOOCAA Nova makes laser creativity simple and professional. Buy link is in the description.